Telegram is literally logging out many users from the platform, and when you are logged out from Telegram, you should see something similar to this login page. So you seeing this doesn't just mean that you are logged out from Telegram. It also means that you are maybe trying to sign in to Telegram, or it is your first time to use Telegram. And when you proceed with entering your phone number, going to the next step, you'll be asked to verify your login request. Okay, you have to verify it with a code that is either sent to your other Telegram account or via SMS. Now, in some cases, you might not be able to receive or to verify the code sent to you via the other Telegram app or via your SMS. And the option that you typically want to consider using is with your email, is verifying the code with your email. Thankfully, there's an easy way to do this with Telegram's new feature. Hello there, I'm David Kelly from the M Tutorials team, and I warmly welcome you to this new episode. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get your Telegram code by email. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So Telegram has this new feature called the email login that lets you log into your Telegram account without having to use your phone number. So once this email login feature is set up, you'll be able to log into your Telegram account and receive the code via your email address that should let you log in to your Telegram app. But of course, before doing that, you need to make sure that you've set up that feature for your Telegram account already. And even if you don't have it set up already, or that you're just logging into a new Telegram account, you will just need to set up the feature upon the sign up process. So let's see how you can get your Telegram login code by your email. So to do that, you just click on this hamburger icon at the top left corner, and then you go to the settings. You scroll all the way up until you see privacy and security. Click on it, and under the security section, you should see email login. You just want to tap on that feature and then set it up. Since I already have this feature set up, I'll just click on this change email to show you what the process is all about. So you just click on this change email, and if it's that you're just signing in to Telegram, or if it's your first time to use Telegram and that you want to receive your code through email, you should see this form show up. Okay, the process should be similar whether you are signing in for the first time or you are just setting up the email login feature. So you just want to enter your email address in the field required and click on this arrow button to go further, and then you should be sent an email with containing the code that you use to log into your Telegram account. Again, this feature is typically the same whether you are logging into your Telegram account via the email or you are just setting up the email feature with an already existing Telegram account. So I'm sure I've received the code. So when you receive the code, you just want to copy it and go back to Telegram, then paste it from there, and then you should have the email login feature set up already for your account. So with this feature already set up for your account, anytime you log into your Telegram account, you will have the option to receive your login code via your email address instead of your phone number. So when you receive the code via your email address, as I showed earlier, you should be able to log into the Telegram account with this code. And if you are just creating an account with Telegram, you should be able to receive this code from the email address that you just linked to your Telegram account. So that's how you get to receive your Telegram login code by email to log in to your Telegram app. I'll be dropping a link to a complete guide on this in the video description, so you want to check the video description to capture everything that's been mentioned in this video in a written format. So we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss upcoming content. I catch you in the next episode.